Okay.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, morning.
Good morning, sir.
Why are you sitting down there?
He chose to say, we try to be.
What is that? This is